everybody, it's Ivy, and today I want to do something a little different with my lace wig, okay? I wanted to style it, you know, just do something really cute and different. I got this really pretty 30-inch, yes you guys, look, girl, 30-inch hair from West Kiss Hair, and this is their, I believe it's, ooh, I don't know the origin of the hair. I just know it's, deep curly, I believe, 30-inch. Like, this is one of the fullest wigs ever. Like, it's so much hair. Like, and this is HD lace. It's gonna be melty, undetectable, flawless, very much giving scalp, all that good stuff. We love HD lace. HD lace is it. This wig is just beautiful, you guys. And I wanted to, you know, try something different with my hair. I feel like I always do it, you know, very much the same. So I was like, let me just add some cute little braids in the front. I've been seeing a lot of people wear the braids in the front of their hair, and they usually do them going back. But I was like, oh, it'll be cute to, you know, do two going to the side. So it kind of gives you some variety with this look. You know, if you want to try that little look without, you know, looking like everybody else, this is a cute little alternative to that. And it's super easy, you guys. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. It's so simple and easy to do. I promise you guys, I promise. Okay guys, so let's get right into our styling. First, I have really old braids in my hair, you guys. And it's super easy, you guys. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. It's so simple and easy to do. I promise you guys, I promise. I don't even want to say how long they've been in because it's kind of embarrassing at this point. But every time I wear my wig units, I gel all of my baby hair back, all of it, and then I like to put on my wig grip. I've literally been using wig grips for years, but a lot of people still don't know the purpose of them, and their purpose is to keep your wig from sliding back, because even if I glue my wigs or put them in with holding spray, my wigs always slip if I don't have on a wig grip. Like, this just makes my whole wig process feel more comfortable and secure, and it's basically a headband that I put on. And it's like this velvet that keeps the wig from sliding back, okay? And this one does include lace, just so you can have a more natural part when you go to part your hair. So the beautiful wig I'm installing today is from West Kiss Hair. And you guys, I don't pay attention to my mannequin head. This is the one I use to color my wigs on. But I absolutely love this wig. It is 30 inches. Yes, 30 inches of beautiful curls, you guys. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love this wig. So this right here is the lace, and it does come with HD lace, and this is the hairline. I didn't do any plucking to it just yet. All I did was bleach the knots, but the hair is super soft. And I did co-wash the hair, so this is what it looks like after you co-wash it, okay? So this right here is the construction of the wig. It is a lace front area, lace frontal area, and then the tracks are in the back. It does come with combs and also adjustable bands. And I am gonna go in and cut off my wig clips, because I hate wig clips. Once I get all these off, we're just gonna go straight into installing the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my adjustable bands, and I put them right here on the last latch, because my head, I know it might look big on camera, you guys, but my head is, it's kind of like a little peanut egg head. My wigs always tend to be a little loose. So what we're gonna do now is take some lace tint, and I did make this. I believe I did a video on how I make my lace tint. If you guys want me to do another video, I can do that for you guys. And we're just gonna spray it. I think I'm just gonna do like maybe 2 layers, not too much. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just dry it. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our wig on. I'm really liking how the lace looks just straight out the box. I really don't think I'm gonna have to do too much customizing to it, because it looks pretty good, right? It looks really good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and install it first, and then if I need to go back and pluck, I'll do that. I've been noticing when you pluck sometime after, it can give you a better look, okay? So I'm gonna take my scissors, and then we're gonna cut. And I like to cut from the highest point of my eyebrow on each side. And I like doing that because it allows me to adjust the wig better. Like, because I have like a small forehead, I like to pull my wig back a little bit here. But then when I come in and do the sides, I can actually pull the sides down more. So I'm gonna roll that back. And today, to tack down my wig, I am gonna use the Wonder Lace Bond. Some of you guys in the comment section suggested this. I am gonna do a full review on it, I think. Yeah, but this will be my first time trying it. So we're gonna see if it's better than the Got2b, because I honestly haven't found anything better than the Got2b. Just spray a little bit. One thing about when you use these holding sprays, you guys, you don't really need a lot. And sometimes, even yes me, we go overboard with how much holding spray to use, but you really don't need a lot. And then I'm just gonna blast it with some hot heat. And then I'm just gonna work my way around the hairline. I'm not gonna talk too much in this process. You guys already know the drill. Y'all know the drill, y'all know what to do. So I'm just gonna fast forward this and you guys can just watch and enjoy. So I just tacked down my unit, and now I'm just gonna go in and cut off the extra leftover lace. Really easy, really simple. As you guys can see, the lace is really nice and melty. And so far so good, you guys. I'm guessing I'm liking the EBN. Honestly, I don't notice that huge of a difference. Only thing I notice is this kind of dries a little bit slower. Cause Got2b is dry. Like, as soon as you hit it with the blow dryer, it's like dry. I'm gonna cut the rest of my lace off and I'll be right back. I really don't know how I wanna style this wig. I am gonna go in and probably pluck it just a little bit because it's giving a little bit full. But the lace looks good. It looks really good. I am gonna take my blow dryer to press out my parting area just so it's more flat. West Kids curly wigs are definitely for the girl that wants the over the top, super diva curly hair. I'm going to pluck it just a little bit and then I'm gonna do some baby hair, okay? When plucking your hair, it's really important to find good tweezers. Like, I don't even remember where I got these tweezers. I think maybe from Marshall's or something. So I'm just holding down the hair that's probably gonna be my baby hair, and I'm just gonna pluck a little bit behind it. Like I said, I really don't need that much hair taken out. I'm just, you know, thinning it out just a little bit. When doing this, like, less is more, because you really don't want to over pluck your wig, okay? So that's why I said sometimes plucking when your wig is on your head is a really good method. And I've been doing this, I made it lift. I've been doing this with some of my wigs because sometimes I do over pluck. I do make, you know, mistakes. And right now I'm just gonna do a little bit of baby hair, nothing too much. Okay guys, so our wig is all installed, and again, I love it. Like, it is so pretty, so big and curly. I wanted to do like a little braid style, like 2 braids in the front. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the EBN at the top just to control like some of the little flyaways. Now I'm just gonna separate 2 sections. I'm gonna put some of the hair to the back, in the back. Okay, don't mind me. Just go ahead and spray some water on this section. I found that sometimes when the hair is wet, it's easier to like braid the lace hair. Because for some reason, braiding a lace is so different than braiding regular hair to me. So I just like to spray it just a little bit before I start my braid. Put it into 3 pieces, and then you just start to braid. I do like to go back and like pull my braids apart, so it definitely doesn't have to be perfect. And then you just want to braid this down. So we got one done, and you just want to like kind of play with it. You know, you just want it to look nice and cute and not too tight. So I'm just pulling it apart till it looks like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done doing my little French braids in the front. I think they look so cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little water at the tips just to define them. So I think this would be really cute for my younger audience. You know, if you got on the lace or whatever, and you just want to do a little different style with it for today. This is super cute. And I love this texture of this hair. It's curly, but to me, it's almost like on a kinky side. Like, it's really cute and natural looking. I love it. I got some of these little braid tube things. Y'all, look how my hands shake now. Thanks, COVID. Oh my God, my hands. But this is the little things that I have, like a little jewelry to put on. So I'm just gonna put some right here. So cute. So cute. Isn't it cute? I like that. Y'all, who do I think I am? This is cute. So I'm gonna do 2 more of these. I've never had these little things in my hair before, but it's so pretty. Everybody been doing the French braids back, but they super cute to the sides, y'all. Super cute. It gives it a whole nother look. And then I got some little tubes with the little diamonds on it. This is how these look. It came out just how I wanted it. I love it. And I'm not gonna like define the hair that much more. I really want it to be nice and big and pretty. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. My hair is dry. As you guys can see, it's nice and poofy and cute. You can wear it to the back like this. You can even do another braid or a ponytail, whatever you want to do. You know, the options are limitless. I just love these cute little braids though in the front. It just adds a nice little flair to the hair. If you guys are interested in this hair, it will be linked below. Everything I use for today's video will also be linked below. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below if you like this style. This can definitely be a style that can be used to be a protective style. It can be glueless. It's just perfect. It's so cute. And I love it because you don't really, it kind of keeps you from having to play with your lace a lot. You know what I'm saying? Because like, I don't know, if you a lace wearer, you know what I mean. Like, this style keeps you from having to like keep doing stuff. All you have to do is like tie down your hair and you good for a few days. But yeah, I believe that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. Make sure you click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. And I will talk to you guys in the next